Hello friends, this is Scott. This is a quick update video on the school garden that I take care of, and I've taken care of for many years. Strolling down this long row of wood chips, you can see that the bindweed is the only thing that's not suppressed by the wood chips. So, food for thought, bindweed is not going to be suppressed by wood chips. There's our strawberry bed, and it is in full production. So, sorry about my shadow here, but let's take a look at one of these. They're looking pretty good. And those are the strawberries that I'm going to thin out and take down to the hobby farm to make a new strawberry bed. Again, I'm trying to do everything on the cheap, and I have plenty, so I might as well take some transplants down there. This area here, I'm probably going to put carrots, beets, and radishes. We'll see. The potatoes are looking good. And I didn't have a ton of time with the kids this spring. I had a vacation for a funeral, and then they had some school activities, so we didn't get a chance to plan out here too much. But we'll get her planted and have them ready for fall. But this area here is just, again, it's all bindweed. So the wood chips do a great job of suppressing, the field grasses and other types of weeds, but it does not suppress bindweed, and that's what I got to dig out. But it's hard to see, but there's plenty of tomatoes that the kids planted in that bed. And there's a full bed of bindweed, so I've got to get in there and take care of that. I have 2 beds of tomatoes, and the kids did plant those. And the kids helped plant everything in here that you see here. So at least they got some of it done. But then it's up to me to finish off the garden and get it ready for fall. And I'm going to put beans in that bed there. Again, another look at the strawberries, and we're going to pick a couple and eat them and see how they taste. It's a pretty good strawberry variety. Again, I have no idea what the variety is, but let's take a look at the inside. I'm going to eat a couple of these, and nice and red. And let's take another one and taste it. But they're very sweet, very, very tasty. So, hope the kids from the summer program come out and eat some strawberries, because they're going to go to waste if they don't. There's the garlic bed that'll be done in a couple weeks. I think I'll just braid that and put it in the school, so when the kids come back from summer vacation, they can see the garlic anyway. Still have some soil from biograss left to plant all of the remaining plants that I did grow from seed, from the envelopes of seed that was donated to the school. And I've got a lot of eggplant, and I got some squash and some cucumbers, and so I'm going to get all that planted. But there's a look at the tomatoes that are undone at this point, unweeded, versus the ones that are weeded. And I did take the time to water everything in really good, so the tomatoes should explode in the next little while. But I was able to get a lot weeded, and here's a look at what I got done. So I did plant some squash and cucumbers, and I hope they live, so we'll see. If not, I'll have to go to the nursery and buy some. But I got them all planted and watered in. I did put about 1/3 of a bucket of the biograss soil in all the squash and cucumbers, so hopefully that helps. There's Mr. Lincoln. He did come with me. And I was at the garden for 4 hours today, so he was kind of bored by the time of the end of the day. But he was patient. He just sat there. And again, that's where I'm going to be planting a lot of the root crops. And I will be hilling the potatoes soon, because they're ready to be hilled. Once they're this size, I can put more dirt all around them, and they'll form more tubers. I did get the onions weeded out, and I did plant the eggplant in front. So you see that. Those are all eggplants. And those are all grown from seed at my house under the grow lights. And I did get 28 of 30 tomato cages in, and I got the 2 beds weeded, mostly. Got a little bit left on the edges, but not too much. But it's hard to see them right now because they're small, but they're all alive. And again, I have to go to the store and buy a couple cages because we had a couple break on us. But again, there's some more cucumbers and various things there, as you see in the darker dirt. But I got lots of work to do. But I had a pretty good day today, and I had a pretty happy day today. I like to get out and just spend time in the garden. So anyway, that's the garden update for now, and I'll show you again when I get everything planted. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Thank you.